Hi. So I'm wearing today a beautiful soft silk, golden color silk sari, and I've added this lovely patchwork blouse. Now I've been working a lot with fabrics, leftover fabrics. So today I want to show you how you can also make your own patchwork blouses, because let's face it, we all have leftover fabrics for this and that, so you need just a little bit time and input, creative input, and some guidance to make your own beautiful patchwork blouses, because the sari really gets enhanced. Now this, of course, I can wear the same blouse piece which the sari is offering, but if I enhance it with this patchwork blouse, it becomes your new go-to off-white blouse. So I'm going to take this out and show you what exactly I do to make these patchwork. I'm just going to show you this piece. See if you can see that it's very intricately done. We have all different kind of fabrics patched together. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have the kind of fabric, the quality of fabric cannot be super cotton. Whatever you might have, sort them according to color, keep a little variations so that it's interesting and you can wear it with more saris. And then we put these laces on top of the joints. That also discreetly, wherever you feel, they will look nice. So this becomes your patchwork blouse. Now I am now creating a patchwork blouse with these old dirty pink saris which you all loved when I put it on my story yesterday. So how to make it even more beautiful? Yes, you can wear the same silk blouse piece that it comes with. But what I have done is, I had a lot of, since I work with this color a lot, I have a lot of pieces of fabrics lying around. But how to use it beautifully to create a completely new look is what I'm going to tell you, and how to do it. So I have this beautiful printed organza. It had 1/2 meter of it from something left over. I didn't know what to do with it. So I've cut them into such equal pieces. So I have 3 lines of this, right? So 3 pieces of this. Then I had these beautiful printed chanderi fabric, which again I have cut according to the best size possible. Everything does not have to be the same size. So the best size possible, I have cut them, and even smaller. Sometimes your fabric doesn't allow you to have it very broad. So we have thinner pieces. So I've assembled them according to their sizes. So now I have 3 sizes of fabric. Okay. So here I am going to alternate them and stitch them alongside each other and try to make a meter or about 1.25 meter of stitched up fabric together. You can do it yourself by hand and then give it to your tailor to give it the final look, because then you can easily, because it's difficult to tell them to kind of do it this way. So it's best if you can do it yourself sitting at home. If you can मशीन वर्क फाइन, नहीं तो आप हाथ से स्टिच करके दे सकते हैं, तो आपको टेलर को क्लियर पिक्चर मिल जाएगा कि इसमें से ऐसे करना है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी fun way of creating different blouses and not spending much at all. But yes, the time and patience and creativity that you're going to use will be all yours. It's super fun. Please try it at home.